What's up, y'all? Straight Trades here. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm telling you, you're gonna like this video. And we're gonna keep this one quick. We're gonna basically talk about Amazon. We're gonna look at some time frames, and we're gonna see actually how high can this stock go. But as I always do, I like looking at what's going on with the market really quick when I first start the video, because it's October 1st. It is a Thursday, 3:36. So the market's only open for another 24 minutes. So you know how it's like power hour right now. So things could change dramatically as I'm making this video. So yeah, the Dow is down, S&P's up, NASDAQ's up, Russell's up, VIX up. That's not good. I mean, the VIX is actually creeping up higher. You know what? I was just going to do Amazon. We'll look at the VIX real quick at the end of the video. Now, don't forget, man, I need you to like this video and check out some of the other videos because they're getting no love. And I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. I gave out the Peloton, man. I gave out the Peloton. You guys missed it. You gotta watch the video. Anyway, so that's what's going on. Here is the heat map, man. If I were to throw a dart at this, I would probably hit a red. That's how I actually look at this, you know. It kind of, if I close my eyes, I think I would hit a red. But it's the big boys running. Amazon, Google, Facebook. It's FANG. It's FANG, right? And it's nothing but FANG and the utilities. It's never good when the utilities kind of making a run. But FANG. Yeah, just the biggest squares are running. I don't like that. You know, I'm just now seeing this for the first time. I thought it was a much broader rally. I don't like that. All right, so let's go ahead. This video is about Amazon, so let's go ahead and what motivated me to do an Amazon video where we can look at some time frames because it got a huge upgrade today from Pivotal Research, dude named Michael Levin, right? He says on Thursday, he's repeating his buy rating and lifted his price target to $4,500, right? $4,500. That's the street high. Okay, he's high. He's basically saying, I'm just gonna sum this up, that we're undervaluing Amazon's business because of its ads business, which only represents 5% of the revenue, but it's a far greater contributor to the company's earnings before interest and taxes and all that stuff. Basically, the ad business is gonna start to blow, and you guys are undervaluing it, and this thing is gonna be $4,500. Probably by, I guess, right here, 2024, you know, just going out there a couple of years. And hey, you know what? I don't doubt it. I really don't doubt it. Amazon is a beast. It's a beast. I actually worry about government intervention soon on this thing, but hey, that's not in this video. That's another video. Okay, so let's pull up some charts and let's look at Amazon. I'm going to pull up different time frames. And here, look at the power hour. Anyway, let's look at the minute chart. This is the minute. And it's basically today, and I like it. You know, I'm seeing higher highs and higher lows and a little consolidation right here to make me believe that it's going higher. But if we look a little closely, it looks like power hour is trying to bring it down. So I don't know, but you know, it's consolidating. I don't trade the minutes at all. It's too much of a run. It's crazy. Minutes, man. Get your Dramamine ready for the minute charts because you're gonna be all over the place. Anyway, but looking at it, you know, consolidate. I like it. I like it, man. Higher lows, higher line, final trend line. So let's pull up the 4-hour chart. And what excites me about the 4-hour chart is I'm looking at this level of resistance right here, and I would draw a line for you. And it looks like we're getting ready to push up on it. Can we break through? Can we break through? I don't know, man. It's too early to tell, but it's gonna struggle right here. And if it actually starts to come down, right, it's almost a head and shoulders, you know, it's, you know, looking at like that, right? So let's hope it does not fail there because it's almost head and shoulderish, and that means it can go way down. So that's the 4-hour chart. Let me get rid of all of this drawing. Okay, let's bring up the daily. Let's see what we see. Now, when I pull up the daily, I see this. Immediately, I see this trend. I see it broken, and maybe it's trying to fight back to hit the upper part of the trend line. Now, if I were to measure that out, let's say it can kind of hit the upper part. That's 10%, man. Can this thing run 10% and just to reach the old trend? maybe I showed you some obstacles. I showed you that level of resistance. I think that was like 325 or something like that, 330 in that area. Yeah, you know, I don't like it because it broke trend, but you know, it could break trend, check back, and then fall down, right? So, or will it just break through the trend line, go through resistance, and just keep going higher? I don't know, man. That's rare. But you know what? With the last 6, 7, 8 months, anything goes, bro. Anything goes. So I'm like, you know, whatever. I'll just do what I used to do before the stock market went crazy. And you know, anyway. So let's pull up the weekly. Let's see what we see on the weekly. And we see the same thing. We broke trend. But one difference here, I'm gonna go ahead and clear this trend line, is this could be an all clear, man. If it can hold that, right? I connected 2 points. If it can hold that, check back here and kind of work its way up, hey, I'm all for it. It looks like it wants to go higher when you look at the weekly. You know, it's holding the trend line, even though it just set this point. So basically, we had that was a primary, it broke. Now we see it established a secondary trend line, and it's holding, but it's only 2 points. So let's see what happens when it tries to come down again. Let's see if this trend line holds. All right, so that is, right, that's the weekly. All right, so let's pull out the monthly. Let's clear all these lines out. Clear that down, and let's pull out the monthly. And this is what I don't like. Oh, man. When you pull it like this, right, I zoomed in on it. Come on, man. What chart does this, right? So I don't like it. I mean, I don't know of charts. That's what is that? A 80-degree ascend. That's way too steep. It's way away from the moving averages. These are the 9 period and the 20 period. I keep them on all charts. I don't actually put the 50 and the 200 that everybody uses on. And this is a monthly chart, right? So it wouldn't be like the 50-day. It wouldn't be that. But anyway, I just see it checking back, and that's all the way to 26.76. If it could just hold that line, which is actually too steep in itself, a moving average is got an angle of what is that, 67 degrees. So I think it's crazy. I don't know if we go straight up to 4,500 like Michael Levine says. If it does, I think it'll be something like this. All right, now, when you look at this, you see we kind of went up. I'm just going to draw basics. And this is beautiful. This is a beautiful bull flag. Kind of comes over, flags itself, gets that consolidation, right? And then we do it again. We got the flagpole, so maybe we do something like that. And if we could do something like that, the longer the better here. And then maybe it can establish and then shoot high. Then I'm like, oh yeah, that's gonna be an awesome breakout. If it can go sideways in this hole and then all of a sudden start making new highs. But the way it is right now, I don't like the monthly at all. I mean, let me clear all of this out, and I'm gonna zoom in now. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I really see it check back in. Okay, here's where it broke out, right? That's the level of, you know, it broke out of that resistance, then comes support. I actually see the check back. I see it check back in, and then taking off. I see it checking back and then taking off. You know, so basically what I'm getting here is as I move out in time frames, right, from the minute to the 4 hours to the week, daily, weekly, monthly, I get more bearish on it. So the closer I'm actually more bullish on it. So I do think, just looking at these charts and nothing else, that we go higher. Maybe short term kind of does look good, but long term it don't. And I don't know when it's gonna come down, you know. But hey, if it goes up without me, I already been off the train. I guess I just missed. I made a lot of money in Amazon. A lot. I made a lot of money, and I missed this train. I'm sorry. It's one of the biggest trades that I regret. You know, I regret missing this thing. So maybe I'm a little hateful. I don't know. I regret it. It's the regret trade. You know, anyway, I would love this thing to consolidate. I just can't see this behemoth of a stock just keep going straight up, power moving all the way to 4,500. Can it do it? Yes. This market's been doing things that I'd never ever seen before. you know, you look up these chart patterns, you'll never find them. You know what I mean? It's defying all chart patterns and so yeah, it could do whatever it wants to do, but just kind of old schoolish. It just looks kind of bearish on that monthly. Look at the slow stochastic. I mean, it's way overbought here, wanting to turn down, but this could stay up here forever, as you can see right here. But it's at the top range, you know. So that's me. I'm gonna be a little reserved on Amazon and just kind of watch it and have fun. Now, I actually wanted to get in above 3,200 today, but I didn't, because what's bothering me is this whole Senate deal, right? What does it say here? Pelosi and Mnuchin take last-ditch shot at the coronavirus stimulus deal. You know, because if it comes down, well, just no deal, which I don't really think there's going to be a deal. I still don't think it's going to be a deal. 30 days to the election, be a new president, maybe, and maybe even the Senate turns blue, right? So why make a deal now? Let's see what happens in 30 days. Although the people are suffering, so I get it. But as far as they're good, so as far as they're thinking, they probably like, yeah, man, if we just wait a little bit, act like we want to make a deal, let's see what happens, and then we can have the deal we want in 30 days. You know what I mean? So that's how I kind of look at it. But we'll see what happens. And the market is totally trading off of this, and it's kind of got me just watching. I just want to watch. All right, just want to watch. So anyway, there's my little analyst on Amazon, right? I like it short term. As we go out in time frames, I'm kind of not liking it as we kind of continue to go out. So just be careful, man. The stock is a great stock. If you know, to be honestly, we missed a lot of the move. I think if you get in now, you kind of missed it. You're supposed to buy low, sell high, buying high, and you gotta hope it goes higher. You know, excellent buy if it can somehow get down there. Anyway, so I was getting ready to end this video. Hey, like it, man. Like this video, and then I'll bring up the VIX chart for you. Anyway, so let's pull up the VIX, and you see how it's just creeping high. I'm on a 5-minute look. Be careful of this move. This thing is steadily creeping higher, you know. So it's at a 20. Let's call it 27. That's high. It's just been going up. I'm more concerned, not necessarily on the level 27. I'm more concerned it's been going up. Look at that. That's the best trend I showed all day. It's trending up. So when that happens, we could wake up, or things could turn ugly quick. All right, so just keep that in mind. It is a high VIX, and then who knows, maybe you catch that Amazon at a lower price, right? And ride it up once it comes down. All right, so like this video, subscribe. Let me know what you think is going to happen with Amazon in the comments. Do you think this Michael Levin guy is correct with his price target of 4,500? You think that the Amazon ad business is all that? Is that what's going to turn the corner? Are we undervaluing it like he sees? I don't normally get into fundamentals. I'm only a technical kind of dude, but maybe you are. So go ahead and put that in the comments. Are you trading it? Did you make money? All that stuff, man. Let's talk. And remember, tomorrow I do the video live. So if you want to get on with me, I'm going to do it Zoom. And hey, you don't have to get on video. You can say no video. I'm just going to do audio. But it'll be nice to see you. See me? Hey, you see me? I like to see you. You know, and we can sit here and talk the shit. And it doesn't have to be 1-on-1. I want it to be 2-on-1, 3-on-1, 4. Everybody, man. We could just sit here and talk about Amazon or whatever stock you want to talk about. So anyway, I think that'll be cool. Hopefully we get on tomorrow and we get some activity. I do a live once a week. That's my new format, and I'm gonna try to make that on Fridays. So thanks for watching. I'm Dre Trades. I'm on Dre Trades on Twitter. I'm Dre Trades on Instagram. I'm Dre Trades 2 here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys made a bunch of money. Be careful. The market is news ready. VIX is rising. It's like ready to do something when it finds out what these Congress and Senate wants to do. Dre Trades, I'm out.